Here we have the world's best bike. This is a one-of-a-kind bundle bike. It consists of 4 bikes put together into one. It is completely convertible. The 2 rear bikes can remove and it can turn into a 2-seater bike, or you can load it back up and have a 4-person bike altogether. The bike on the left here, closest to us, is actually an e-bike connected to the system. So if we look over here, there's a motor attached. Now this isn't too powerful and I'm planning on adding an additional motor onto this bike. It's driven by a chain that goes down over here, which is nice because we still have all the other gears on the other side for manual pedaling. It's powered by these 2 lawnmower batteries and it's a 24-volt system. Back here we have kind of like a trailer attachment that I've built for these 2 bikes, and it pivots at this point here. So it can be removed and it can swing left and right when we turn the bike. The back is just like a trailer, which I prefer. And then this little quick release here allows you to really quickly remove the back 2 bikes if you're not going to be using them. And it just pulls right up and out, and that's it. Now you have a separated 2-person bike. That way you can save some weight if you don't need to pull the bikes behind you. On this side we have another spare bike. Back here we have 2 ride-along bikes put together, connected into that spot there. So just like a trailer, made a little mount and swivels. Just place it right in and then attach the pin. It's as easy as that. And now it's back to a 4-person bike. Now the rear bikes, when you pedal, will push the bike. It'll push the whole thing. Every bike works manually and it all works together. Or even just one bike can push the whole thing. Everybody has some braking and some powering power. So the back 2 are connected with a bar that goes across, and that's kind of what attaches them. And then another one back here. Here's a view of riding, first-person view here. The steering's connected by that bar, and when you look back, that's what you see. It's really kind of fun and cool. As soon as you get on this bike, right away the vibe is amazing. You feel like you're on vacation. You feel like you're out to have fun. Here's a demonstration of the steering. Simply connected this bar. Everything on this bike was just from scrap metals I found laying around. I built it over a few hours in the backyard just from scraps, including the bikes, including the bars, metals, everything. So back here there's a bar and that's how it connects. And then we have the swivel point here. You'll notice that not all bars are matching just because it's scrap stuff that I had laying around. And here's a demonstration of how it pivots and turns just like a trailer, which makes it really awesome for tight spots and stuff like that. And it's just a really fun bike. Here's a demonstration of me just hopping on. As you notice, I'm not pedaling. I'm just riding on full electric power. And I'm a pretty heavy guy and it pulls no problem. So you can imagine with 4 people pedaling on flat ground, this thing's pretty quick. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit that like button.